Papa Apollinaire, na so they be the calling for that side day for opposite pharmacy like grass for city sick market country people then. If you don't drive a woman and he picking them for house since 5 years ago, they meet up you we don't die, smell past mark this morning time. So take on it now. They never come out die body inside the house country. People will tell you now about this chapter for last night where they kill him for Yaoundé Mvoka that day. We go tell you too about this matter for Timothy Kula and see what we don't scarce for that side from Kong. Somebody electric pole will fall for people the house from the ball after rain for yesterday, and then the interview too with this public disorder in short. This other issue for CPDM hijack, CPDM hijack house for the. We'll talk to about council. Yes, Inosa Bega doctor. We'll talk about that report for Oriel Chumi about consular for this thing we call RDC for this matter too. I will take una go for France. What happened for France? The aeroplane will make a crash, make accident, 150 people and die. About the one country people then. This morning time, we receive some message for person we like Equinox program, like PG News too. But that message be lack politeness, plenty. We need to be polite, at least a little small for this matter. We call the talk, send message, talk about him, people give for the wrong information. Barcelona, then after that side for Pagna, no before France. I believe say the person don't know what you call and say Pagna. Pagna means Spain. And I talk him, Inosa Bega, you'll be witness. See this, so even the king of Pagna, that means the king of Spain, will they visit France that time when the thing happened. And it don't go back. Now basic knowledge that contribute. Tomorrow morning I'll give you a number for a person who make that kind foolish mistake for this so country people them. This one a pigeon TV news, Equinox television with me as a Ekule Kutoride. As we talk about them for this matter, make we start with same story for today. And the same story for today, Inosa Abega talks the same story for today, where people don't call some will come back for day. Ebi so wait Abe. Abe 1 minute me I talk. After the whole me for what I say, viens répéter ça. Eh? Okay. No be say he heavy. But now respect makes a man picking hole and before a piece. I don't talk now. Same story for today. No be for Sika say he heavy. But now respect makes a man picking hole before a piece. Thank you plenty for that same story for today. Yes, Mami Abakwa for that side for Carrefour Jeep this country people them supporting come from you where they talk this na Augustine Frundi for my 90 somewhat evening. Make una story for una talk see with country people them. As in this one a die body where they meet up. They don't chucky knife for a chest, chucky knife for a belly, he die. Papa for 51 years old. Papa for 7 picking them. Now this one gather. Enough far away from Camden, he place where they call and say El Dorado Vogada. I bet you know. Yo what? Now play the way with the walk. I say for play the call and say this bookshop library. And I know they can't chucky, but they don't enter. More not you don't shave the tray for explain for that side this so they don't meet up or don't chucky knife for a chest. Choking knife for Ibele and Ibanja. Look at it fall down. Abe 51 ans 7 enfants. Et Godoua. Et où man Godoua? As soon as I can get, they talk about for that matter and so contribute. Wonderful story, wonderful situation. They choke for the killer, diabetes for the so country. People wonderful kind of situation as it take up now. Answer all that issue the way after this we all make the concern carry that would you go down for mortuary. The very mortuary for Yaoundé the way inside 3 days you don't take 2 die body where they fall for lack municipal for Yaoundé. The very mortuary this time around for Douala we accident way they cook for some for normal news will happen for Hans Raphael the yesterday. Ben Skinner and a passenger them die. Ngongoro for Mulu company finish with them. Imagine they will look Equinox television 4 o'clock this afternoon, 6 o'clock for English and 8 o'clock this evening time for French. When I go see out for this country people them. Now take una go from Konsamba. Neri I'm go be sing Konsamba Bolande. What in Konsamba don't do now? Una the neglect and so contribute. Question asked must be answered. What no den Konsamba? Abe how they talk of French. Konsamba a soif. Let me so. Soif de mulu, odontol, matango, or water. Answer na water. That means you don't say water, you know if you drink water. Hey this. See the kind of water we put the can drink. See the kind of water we put the can carry. See the kind of water we hey contribute them. Abe ancien's neck water need to come off for all the tap them again. They don't finish. People they suffer. Save for grinding them. They ask them. How they go do for other matters to contribute them? How they go do for other issue them? Question asked must be answered for that matter to contribute them. As it take happen, so it take be. Wonderful, wonderful to them. Wonderful, wonderful situation them. Look people they carry water. Look the place where people they carry water for that side to country, people that take happen for all that issue them for this country, people them. Wonderful kind of institution. Look at. So Konsamba now he no get water. Konsamba no get water. He no get water. Tap them in the flow. Look play they can carry water under them, under house them. Like water way they come up for that side for corner water for Penja they in Bam Harry Colonel. They stay for this country people them. Come somebody hear that you no get water for drink at all. For Douala now wait till they happen for Douala country people them. Now chapter 14 when I hear they talk about and say electric pole for Jengu for that side for Ndobo. Small rainway 4 years in the morning time. All thing fall. So take another one say fall on top house for allergy. Now this. Sakari papa to Rigo Luka. Ha! Abe na how? Abe da rende so de bisana na fusika electric pole. On a péage. Abe de so courant so de fude. I tell you the whole double market and for Conan double market set on top store for allergy for this. Fall broken off for the look at. If that rain for yesterday for fit to one so, imagine say the rain now way go come when the better rain go be. How it go be country people then question ask and must be answered. Question asked and must be answered. For the kind of level then so for the country people then look at. Electric people they don't run to say they cry, Papa don't tire, oh, Mommy I don't tire, oh, I so many degree for you. Look as it take happen. And abe il y a haute tension. Abe na haute tension on attention. Let me say 1 + 1. Look what happen. Really look what happen. Hey! Kachineke Messioku. Wonderful situation. As not take happen. Ngongoro no fit pass again for the Palaba Palaba electric pole and electric cable them. Say wonderful situation for nobody as he falls to fall on top. Store for some LH for that matter so country people them. As na contact. Hey, I bet you see transformator. Whoa. Una fi imagine why we say so take carriage now. Latin no dey for that place country people them. So take carriage now. Latin no dey for that place. And Naime na the stories we fall on top. And Naime can say, yes. Naime can say, we live with them. Man never shake. If you shake how? You will shake how go for the abbey. I feel go so now, your life can turn now once upon a time. Time. Look at. Wonderful. As soon as get down, so it take up. For that said for nobody for Bonabir. The very thing happen abega for night where they so hot tension the cash fire the burn pass mark for that side for Bijou Makepe. A born sute before Colonel Michaela I people landboy and run for the go quencha. But sute carnish now Latin over there for Makepe, Latin only. You know Abe? Latin only that side. I know they looking out for that side except for the get group. Latin don't fly. For nobody. What happen? Una hear something, una hear.
Yes, we monitor, we walk up, we see poto don't fall for down. We struggle for go cross on it, say me they can't carry the poto up, the nose feel calm. So we struggle as it became mass, we for quarter we try how we pull am up. May stand so that may the thing not touch on water, so if it bring destruction, if it kills so we still place them so now they can't still see for the poto. For the place where it is so a big danger. Now road for go market, every day they put out the fall, we go the struggle for hold and for stand up and for up. Where not even be advisable for we for work that work because now they are work. It don't take not 3 months now, you go 3 months now where the put out for down.
Abe. Abe, joyeux anniversaire. Avec un joyeux anniversaire. As you don't talk for air. Number 30th anniversary for RDPC. Inside 30 years, Abega, all Maison du Parti don't carry the only way good for that they don't carry name for Maison du Parti RDPC. So as it can be RDPC so for 30 ans, Abe, money they budget they vote them for make maintenance for clean Maison du Parti them. RDPC 30 ans après, for the matter too. Party house them, Abe, give them. 30 ans, RDPC au Banganti. 30 ans, RDPC au Banganti. Yes, Maison du Parti for Banganti, 30 ans. And off Banganti, this man, Lino Street, na so he take beef for 30 years. I say, if it was RDPC, so Oga means in an engine where the PC for Kayabasi. I said, dot side by side for that matter too. The Banganti that. Any other opposition party they come, you must pay location for the one. But when I heard the say no trouble, then this Banganti. Now it is no Abe, na grass for 30 ans. Money they enter plenty. They do one for that side. Yes, country put look at. One half situation na get them for that side. LDP say 30 ans. Abe na doti that for 30 ans. Abe na doti that for 30 ans eh. Na grass for 30 ans. Na grass for 30 ans. Abe don't see am. Na party has a inside for 30 ans. As it get shares a bordeaux 30 ans. 30 ans. Look am, you na Bonanjo. Maison du Parti de Bonanjo 30 ans. Una go see am. Ladies, 30 ans. 30 ans. 30 ans. 30 ans. 30 years. 30 years, Abe. 30 years. 30 years. Now 30 years. 30 years, 30 years. 30 ans. So 30 ans for the man. As we come here, they talk about every day for 30 ans, 30. Now this, Abe, you don't see grass for 30 years? Yes, 30 years. You want a Maison du Parti for Bafang? 30 ans. We get that, 30 ans. 30 ans. A day or two Maison du Parti, dear. 30 ans. Look their own chair for 30 ans. They want a cheer for Hoxie, 30 ans. What they matter than so contributing 30 years. 30 years, 30 years, and 30 years for the kind of palaver and so for this country people. I bet you know the problem there for consular the RDC. Yes, they say Jean-Marie Mvogo. So the circle say he must go. Say he must go. I say Mvogo don't come out for a singer, enter for RDC. They say they don't choose their own consul when a woman and a woman from RDC. Mvogo don't turn RDC. Mvogo say, j'y suis, j'y reste. Na Caterpillar go come up for this. Like this. Man, you know. Hey! They go for Mvogo house, so that's why they jam Marie Mvogo. For Bonaprise, they contribute. Say, we don't want them again. When I go, when I fuck up. Inside the issue, then we also contribute them. Say they don't want time again. Talk their talk. I bet the same folk on the ESF Lingala. I say, you consul general for people they hear that country talk. Wonderful matter. Wonderful palaver. Or they complain for that side. I bet that one way they would tie so with rapaz material for skin. This is the way they don't put it as new consul. New consul, yes. All right. For that matter, so contribute them. So it take be, so it take happen for that side day. Chapter for chapter for all that issue them for this so country people them. Say na caterpillar, it go come on for that matter. Mvo go talk so. But they cannot issue them for yes so country people them. I say, Mvo go say equature, they never come out for yes so they free. Now this, now the woman this way say na he be their consul now. Say na he be their consul now so contribute them. Mama consul. I remember say go dey find again tell way they go run put it for the chair. I say the salon woman will talk say voila. Yes. Wonderful. I say Mama consul. Hey, that we talk about today. Wonders. I say man don't know. Hey, you can't just come be Marambo go man no. Now this moment that we get on phone for today country people them to go day again tomorrow. Say me go take crash of France 24. Then you don't have for Panya. That one we call more send text message one time. When they call for you know people come. They call another phone and try to say yes and I say we record all program they will do all PG news. Well if you can verify for see what they talk on time. If your ear get wax for inside, better cleaner, young man. But it kind of matter so we talk about and see this accident happened for southern France. But the aeroplane come for Barcelona. Barcelona then after said for Panya. If you don't know what the Panya contributed. And it happened the time when they saw the king of Panya be to visit France. Every day with François Hollande. For that matter, to us not coming time. So the thing take place and so the thing happen for this level so country people them wonderful kind of situation them as it in them it take happen for yes so country 150 people then die yesterday for this plane crash where it resemble you want to be like the one for Kenya Airways 2 for that for Banga Pongo. I don't remember Banga Pongo, so it be take me for that level too. Mark changing Edmond de Bamenda Ogala de Cape Town Kumba not true. Yes, the visit memory Victoria Day. As it talk be, Francis to now magic touch for Bay country people them. As we talk about Tamugum, yes. Mukubero bet say Champoli Yango too, and then this other one classes Zakari Papa to read the Bunaberi day. Who talk say Bula Jacks de Bunateki day. Not true. Not true. This matter say this so. This other one classes Ash to say Tata call of the Deut Sulemano. Eno Sabega doctor. You know yes it take happen. You never do with various virus. Country people them. Tricia Songwa. Ele make face shine. If you not see my back, maybe say Bele, it for before the go. Bye bye.